everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the review of property. In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Clicking down this property is 2 p.m. Checkout time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comments. Or if you want to get more details about this property, please check the description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel,